Welcome back to Yoga with Arvind, friends. Today I am back with another wonderful asana. The asana name is Shashankasana or air posture. So Shashankasana is a very effective asana for relieving the mental stress, anxiety. It will completely calm down your mind. Also, it's a very good asana for your legs, for your back pain. It gives a relief in the acute back pain. So basically it stretches your vertebra and it relieves the extra strain which is there in your back region because there are a lot of nerves which are coming out of your spine. So it basically increases the blood flow in all these nerves and makes them more active, and that result into relieving your all the pain. So let's start this asana. So what sitting posture we will be using for this asana? That is Vajrasana. So we will be doing this in Vajrasana. So I'm just adjusting my position so that you can see me completely. So to come in Vajrasana, we will be first going in Dandasana. So I am sitting in Dandasana. From here, fold your legs one by one to come into Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, you have to sit between both the heels. Once you sit comfortably, just extend your chest. From here, you have to breathe in. And while breathe out, we have to slowly go forward, exhaling. Your whole upper body should come together. Place your hands on the ground, elbows and forehead also on the ground. After staying around 30 seconds here, you have to breathe in and lift your hands and forehead together and go into the initial position. Breathe in. To here, give little more stretch. You can tilt little backward as well. And then you can repeat this exercise for around 10 to 15 times with deep breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. So now I am just showing you last time, and in this last repetition, we will be doing abdominal breathing in the Purna Sthiti. So what happens when we do abdominal breathing while our forehead is on the ground? So when I am breathing in, my stomach will feel like a balloon. And while exhaling, I will contract my stomach, abdomen towards back. So it will give very good massage to your abdomen and all the organs which are there inside in this region, because the pressure will be applied from your thighs onto your stomach when you are breathing in. So let's do it with this beautiful breathing technique. Breathe in and breathe out one last time. And then let's do 3 times abdominal breathing to give a wonderful massage to your abdomen organs. And then breathe in and relax. So this exercise has some variations as well. So one variation is you can fold your hands back side. So I'll just show how you can fold your hands. So you can again sit in Vajrasana and you can just hold your right hand with the your left hand, and again in the same position we have to do Shashankasana. So this is a variation. Another variation is we can hold our hands like this and we can do the Shashankasana. So these are the variations. So let's one by one do this. So we have to take a breathe in and then breathe out. Forehead on the ground. Breathe in and come out. Another variation is breathe in, breathe out. Here you have to maintain a balance little bit more while coming down. Breathe in, go back, and slowly relax your hands. So all these variations also can be tried in the Virasana position or Virasana posture as well. So I'll just show quickly how we can do this in Virasana. So in Virasana, we basically sit between both the legs. So from Dandasana, let's come in Virasana or Hero pose. So from here, you have to sit between your legs. So your buttocks will be completely on the ground. In Vajrasana, your buttocks were not on the ground, they were in between the heels. So from here, breathe in and slowly breathe out. You may not be able to touch your forehead on the ground, that is perfectly fine. Breathe in and out. Relax. So, these are the variations which we can do for the Shashankasana. So, I hope you have liked this video. I will be coming again with some beautiful asanas. We will keep on doing this learning and we will use this lockdown period up to maximum for increasing our fitness and immunity. Till that time, namaskar.